Hi everyone, welcome back again to another Flutter session. And in this video, we will be discussing about how to create this kind of text animation in Flutter. So in Flutter, we have a package called Animated Text Kit, which actually provides multiple kind of animation for our text widget. So here I have specially used one kind of such animation, which is typewriting kind of style. And in this video, we will be discussing how to implement this kind of animations using that Animated Text Kit package. So without wasting time, let's get started with the coding part. Now this is the package I was using, the animated text kit package, and this package actually provides multiple kinds of animated text. So here you see this is a rotate animated text. You see this animation keeps rotating one after the other, and another thing is fade animated text, which kinds of fades out, and typer animated text, so just like writing them. And so this is what I was using, typewriter animated text. And we also have scale animated text followed by the colorize animated text, and there are multiple such kinds of animated text, the wave animated text, and multiple things. And you can just definitely go check this package if you want to use animations for your text widget in your Flutter app. Okay, first in the spec we just need to add that package which is animated text kit. Okay, and after adding that, starting the main.dart file which takes it to the my home page, and inside this my home page I have just defined the list of contents which need to be animated. So these contents gets animated one after the other. Okay, and I have just made them inside a list, and I have a simple app bar followed by the body and a simple text widget, a static text widget. Okay. So to create an animated text, we just create a custom function, and all those animation goes inside that method. Okay. And we name that function as build animated text, and let me create that function over here. And the widget what we will be using is the animated text kit. Okay, the widget itself is animated text kit named. Okay, and inside this widget we just need to provide animated text, that is the list of text which need to be animated. This animated text will actually take a list of animations. So this specifies the style what we need to have for our text animation. For now, we will be sticking on with the typewriting style, and for that, I will be just creating another custom function which renders that kind of styling. Okay, and the function name is build text, and this actually gets the index as the parameter. So we'll be making use of this index inside this function. Okay, and the function just provides the or defines the style what the animation you want. Okay, it is typewriter animated text, and I will be passing the skills. So skills is actually the list name, the variable which holds the list of all contents. Okay, and if you want, you can just specify the styles for the text. Okay, I have provided the color for the text as blue and font size is 32 and made them as a bold. Okay, so inside this animated text list, I'll be making use of for loop. Okay, and I'll be just calling that function which is build text, and pass in the index. Okay, so right now we have just uh, for the we have just successfully implemented the animation, but what it is that it is so fast. And to make this animation to be a smooth one, I will be setting certain parameters, and the parameters are like first is the duration, and be making use of the pass. So the pass is one of the parameter which takes the duration parameter, I'll be setting in terms of milliseconds and give it as 50. Okay. Okay, it's not micro, it's milli. Okay, milliseconds. And if you want to stop this animation whenever you click this text, then you can provide them with the help of display full text on tab and set that as true. And I will be also make use of stop pause on tab, which I will be also setting that as true. And if you want to repeat this animation forever, and you can just provide the boolean variable as true. So the speed parameter need to be specified inside this typewriter animated text widget, and just need to specify the speed, just like the past duration. We can specify the duration parameter and give it in terms of milliseconds. And what I'll be giving is 100. Okay, so now if you perform hard restart, you can see that the animation is smooth and it's good to see. Okay, so that's all about how to make use of animated text kit and make your text animated. So this is one kind of style, which is typewriter text. You can make use of wave animation or scaling animation and so on. You can definitely check that package and implement that in your Flutter app to make your app more interactive for the users. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.